Another option sometimes mentioned is shared surrogacy, where maybe two sets of intended parents might share some costs related to a surrogate, perhaps if she carries siblings conceived at the same time, but that's quite complex logistically and legally too.
So when comparing these different routes, agency, independent, public, what specific costs should people be itemizing and comparing?
You need to look beyond the headline cost. Break it down. What are the professional fees agency, lawyers? What are all the medical costs, IVF, screenings, prenatal delivery, post-delivery? What are the specific legal fees for agreements and parentage orders? And then budget for those other things.
Hmm.
Psychological support, travel, maybe accommodation if the surrogate lives far away, insurance, and always have a buffer for unforeseen circumstances. You need a really detailed budget.
What about insurance? Does regular private health insurance help much? Or Medicare?
It's a bit complicated. Private health insurance policies vary hugely. Some might cover parts of fertility treatment, like IVF, but many explicitly exclude costs directly related to surrogacy itself. You have to check your specific policy very carefully.
Okay.
Medicare does help. It covers a portion of the costs for Medicare rebatable medical services like some fertility treatments, doctor's visits, prenatal care, delivery in a public hospital. But it won't cover everything, especially not the legal fees or agency fees or all the surrogate's reimbursements.
Yeah.
Again, you need to clarify exactly what's covered.
So don't assume anything is covered, basically. Check everything.
Precisely. And there's also the option of specialized surrogacy-specific insurance. These policies are designed to fill some of the gaps, potentially covering medical costs for the surrogate or complications for the newborn. Worth looking into.
Okay, so assuming someone has done their homework on costs and maybe insurance helps a bit, but it's still a huge amount. What about financial assistance? Are there grants or other ways to get help?
Beyond using personal savings, which is the most common route, there are a few possibilities. Some organizations